Aquarius, what's poppin'? Ain't no song played for you right now. It's advertisement. So you may be in the process of thinking about something, or somebody thinking about you. All right. About to find out though. On the split, we got the Queen of Cups. This is still the same card from the bottom. Libra had this card, so you may be dealing with a Libra. A Libra may want to communicate something to you, and you are in a state where you are balanced regarding your emotions. How you internalize things and how you transmute energy, you do that in a balanced state. Something may have bad is the song that's playing for you right now. Ooh, excuse me, hold up. There it is. Oh, yeah. Something may be going bad in your life regarding you and someone else, or it's like you just bad right now. You feel me? Bad in a negative sense or bad in a positive sense. That all depends on you. We about to find out though. All right, Aquarius, let's see what we got for you. Happily, how you get along? Happily. Boom. First card out. You going in a direction, right? You going on some untattered lands regarding something you feel passionate about. Whether this is a new job, a new relationship, a new partnership, a new business, a new idea, you adopted new habits. It's like something lit your fire. You done looking at it, you done thinking about it, you just going for it. And you're not gonna let nobody change your perspective about this enlightenment regarding this idea, person, place, or thing, habit. It's like you see something you want and you going for it. But it's something new. It's untouched. You feel me? Barren lands. You ain't never been in this type of direction before. But you saying fuck it. You going for it. Look, you out of your head regarding something. You done thinking about something. Look, on the bottom, you ain't gonna let nobody. It's just like you out of your head regarding something, and you ain't gonna let nobody move you regarding this passion. You see how you leaned up against a tree. You know how you feel about something. You got the first one, the page of wands. You gained something, you feel me? Something lit your fire a little bit. Now you was like, okay, let me think about this. When you was in your head, you was stealing from yourself. It's like you were holding yourself back from pursuing something. But now you out your head. So you're not stealing from yourself. You're not lying to yourself. And or nobody around you is stealing from you because you out your head regarding the passion. And you ain't moved. It's like you're not budging. You're not moving off of the square you are in right now. Hold on, I'll tell you the song real quick. Hold up, give me a sec. I started love. First card out. Come from scratch. 10 of coins. Yeah, listen. Okay, you probably come from nothing. And the 10 of coins upright. Whatever this passion is, whatever this direction is, wherever you're going, is regarding something you feel passionate about. Whether you met a new friend, y'all gonna be friends for a long time. You started a new business, this business is gonna be something low. We talking long money right now, you feel me? If it's a mindset, a habit, this habit is gonna stick with you for a while, you feel me? All because you got out your head regarding it, okay? This good on you, mate. Good on you. It's look, you defending this passion. You know, I'm telling you, you're not it's like if you made your mind up regarding something, you can't nobody make you unmake your mind up. You feel me? You can't nobody change your mind regarding this. If this is you, or if this is just something, it's you doing something. And you done thought about it. You thought about it up and down the road, you feel me? Now you know this is what you're gonna do. And now you doing it. Hey, good on you, mate. Look, lovers. If this is a relationship, so be it. But you fell in love with an idea, person, place, or thing. And that shit gonna be nice to you. 10 of coins, that shit gonna be real nice to you. And you did it and you came from nothing. Came from scratch. Go offset it. I'ma fuck with you.